Welcome to this technical guide on the analysis of semiconductive layers in extra high voltage XLPE cable jointing. We will explore the critical role of these layers in power electric cables, focusing on field preparation and physics. Electric stress presents an invisible threat in medium voltage cables. Sharp edges on stranded copper concentrate the electric field, leading to intense concentrations that can exceed the insulation's strength. This is known as the edge effect. A power cable's anatomy includes the copper or aluminum core conductor and the XLPE or EPR main insulation. Crucially, the inner and outer semiconductive screens create a uniform voltage interface and a smooth electrical transition to the ground. They act as a bridge between the conductor and the insulator. The semiconductive layer is essential for managing the electric field. It forms an equipotential surface, distributing the electric field evenly and eliminating dangerous stress points completely, as seen on the right. Imperfections at the interface create microscopic air voids. High voltage causes tiny electrical sparks inside these voids, known as partial discharge. This process slowly carves chemical paths through the insulation, leading to catastrophic cable failure over time. Semiconductive screens come in three types: bonded, strippable, and semi-bonded. Each has a different thickness, adhesion characteristic, and removal requirement, from precision shaving for bonded types to manual peeling for strippable ones. You must never use heat to soften the semiconductive layer. Heat degrades the insulation's mechanical properties, causes delamination, and creates deadly air voids. This practice violates all industry standards and lacks precision. Precision mechanical shaving is the only approved professional method. It allows adjustments in 0.1 mm increments, maintains ambient temperature, and is required by IEEE and IEC standards. Thermal heating offers zero control and risks severe degradation. The correct tool shaves, it does not cut. Shaving removes material in controlled, flat layers with micro-adjustments, controlling the blade depth in 0.1 mm increments. Cutting can gouge the insulation. The professional shaving workflow involves 6 steps: preparation, tool setup, test shaving, shaving operation, chamfering, and cleaning. Each step is vital for a successful joint. The golden rule of preparation is to always perform a test shave. You must set the blade depth to 90% of the screen thickness and verify this setting on a scrap piece before working on the final installation. The Field Diagnostic Scorecard illustrates acceptable versus unacceptable contours. An acceptable contour forms a smooth wave with a wavelength under 15 millimeters. Deep grooves that penetrate the transition zone, as shown on the right, will cause cable failure. Eradicating invisible contamination is key. The shaving process leaves microscopic carbon dust that conducts electricity. Wipe the exposed insulation using lint-free cloths and 90% purity isopropyl alcohol moving from the conductor end toward the screen. Synthesis leads to the perfect interface: pristine XLPE insulation with zero tool gouges and thermal degradation, a clean boundary with zero partial discharge risk, and a 0.1 mm chamfer to reduce field concentration. In high-voltage installations, cleanliness and smoothness are life-saving engineering requirements. The integrity of the grid depends on the precision of your tools and the discipline of your process. Respect the interface.